What's going on, guys? Danny back here with Pro Trans over in Athens. Alright, so this guy, we've actually built this transmission last year. This customer came out and said that his transmission exploded. So our first instincts, of course, and I'm not gonna lie, we kind of jumped the gun assuming that the trans went bad on this. We are coming in on the back end of, or y'all are coming in on the back end of this, but we're gonna show you what we think is raggedy. You're gonna see it firsthand. You're gonna get our reaction to this as well. But our process on this was we checked the transmission fluid, it was good. Checked transfer case fluid, it was good. We checked engagement, transmission engagement was proper. So we, at that point, determined, it was further back. We monitored the drive shaft, it was still turning even when the vehicle was in neutral, the vehicle was in reverse or drive, it was still turning no matter what you did, or if you had it in park, it was still turning. So we determined there was some kind of fault in this rear differential. So come with us, let's see firsthand what we think is gonna be bad with it. First things first, you can see we drained the fluid out of the rear differential, and this fluid is pretty nasty. When we took the drain plug out, you can see there is some metal chunks that was stuck like this right here on that, and then there was that right there. So we're gonna guess that there's some carnage in here, but let's see. Let's take this cover off and look. Again, guys, y'all are gonna see this first with us because we haven't looked at this yet, so we're just expecting maybe a broke axle or something like that to have effect on there, but we'll see what we have on here. Oh, I feel something in here. Holy shit. That's up pretty bad. So we've got spider gears, the actual carrier. Oh my God. This would be why I didn't move. I'm just pulling metal, straighten metal out of this. You can see this is exploded right there. So with this customer, we're gonna recommend a rear differential replacement, complete, because that's pretty bad there. I can't even move this tire, so she seized in there. Well, guys, this is the definition of screwed up. All right, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Later.